अस्सलाम वालेकुम। STA 301 स्टेटिस्टिक्स एंड प्रोबेबिलिटी रियल क्विज़ेस के स्क्रीनशॉट्स आज हमारा पार्ट 4 है। ऑलरेडी हम ऑलमोस्ट 150 क्वेश्चन ये 3 हिस्सों में अपलोड कर चुके हैं। तो आइए पार्ट 4 को जल्दी से रीड करते हैं। इफ़ A इज इक्वल टू विद इन ब्रैकेट्स 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 एंड B इज इक्वल टू 1, 3, 5 देन B to A means इसका ऑप्शन है B is contained in A. What is the mode in the word statistics? S and T. In a symmetrical distribution, if Q1 is equal to 20, Q2 is equal to 30, then Q3 is 40. Option B. Which one of the following is not included in measures of central tendency? ये है ऑप्शन ए quartile deviation. The sum of deviations from mean is 0. Mean deviation is always option D less or equal to standard deviation. The parameter of the chi-square distribution is V. The value of x square can never be negative. X raised power 2. The probability of an event always lies between 0 and 1. The number of parameters in a Poisson distribution is R1. E into 4x plus 5 विद इन ब्रैकेट्स है इज इक्वल टू डैश, इसको ऑप्शन डी. इन अ वन वे अनोवा ऑप्शन डी. देयर इज नो इंटरेक्शन टर्म ऑप्शन डी. द डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम फॉर अ टेस्ट विद सैम्पल साइज 14 इज 13. द डिग्री ऑफ फ्रीडम फॉर अ t-test with sample size 6 is 5. Option C. Which of the following is a characteristics of the normal distribution? It is bell shaped. In normal distribution ये कोई सिंबल है, आप इसको देखिएगा. बहरहाल इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन ए 0. इन नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन बीटा 2 इज इक्वल टू, या मैथमेटिकली जो भी आप इसको रीड करते हैं, ऑप्शन इसका है सी. अ गुड वे टू गेट स्मॉल स्टैंडर्ड एरर इज टू यूज अ लार्ज सैंपल. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज मेजर ऑफ एब्सोल्यूट डिस्पर्शन? मीन डेविएशन. एन ऑटोमोबाइल इज रनिंग during the first 60 km at the rate of 10 km per hour, during the second 60 km at the rate of 30 km per hour, while during the third 60 km its speed was 40 km per hour. What method is more appropriate to calculate the average speed? यह है हार्मोनिक मीन, ऑप्शन सी. If s dot d into x is equal to 5, then s dot d within brackets 2x plus 5 over 2 is equal to dash 7.5. For a particular data set, the person's coefficient of skewness is greater than 0. What will be shape of distribution? Positively skewed. The total number of sample when sampling is done without replacement is equal to n raised power n. n raised power n. Which of the following is correct option? Find p into x plus y less than equal to 1. Option D. The conditional probability function f of x over 1 or 1 is equal to option C. If f into x comma y is bivariate probability density function of continuous random variable x and y, then marginal density function of y h into y is option A. Dash is range of numbers inferred from the sample that has a certain probability of including the population parameter over the long run. Confidential interval option C. By definition f of x or x is equal to repeated question है option C. Which of the following is an unbiased estimator of population? इसकी option D. If a significance level of 1% is used rather than 5%, the null hypothesis is less likely to be rejected. Option B. For A is equal to 0.01, the critical value of Z for two-tailed test are equal to minus 2.58 plus 2.58. इसका correctly यही आंसर है. A judge can acquit a guilty person is the example of correct decision. The proportion of males in Pakistan is at least 0.48. The alternative hypothesis H1 is P less than 0.48. If mean of x raised power 2 distribution is k, then variance will be 2k. What is the graphical shape of the chi-square distribution? Positively skewed. ये multi time repeat हो चुका है. What factor determines the shape of the t distribution? Degree of freedom. The covariance of a random variable with itself is its variance. ये covariance its variance के साथ है. Hypergeometric probability distribution has ये n comma ये n small k small और parameter. Option D. For any two estimators T1 and T2, if where any variable T1 less than variable T2, then T1 is efficient. Atmosphere pressure is the example of quantitative variable. Which one of the following is not a type of frequency curve? Frequency polygon. For positively skewed distribution, mean, median, mode, ये है greater than का symbol use करना है. What is the Fn in formula of mode? Maximum frequency. ये m है या n है, इसको आप देख लीजिएगा. मैं ट्राई करता हूँ अगर ये जूम हो सकता है तो. सॉरी, ये m है. m मीन फॉर मैक्सिमम फ्रीक्वेंसी. m ये f के नीचे m का सिंबल है. Which one is the measure of central tendency? Average of the distribution. हमारा लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. In a set of 10 values, all the values are 5. What will be the P50? आंसर है B. बहुत शुक्रिया.